Where it happened? You know where you are?
Thanks for coming. Yeah, no problem.
Right here.
I know, like where?
Why can't you let me go right now?
So the Mex are gonna check you out. I think they just got here. Oh,
What's up, dude?
They're on their way.
How you doing, man?
They want to make sure you're okay. Just give it a.
I just saw him come across.
What's your first name? What's your first name?
All right, right on.
Joseph.
Thanks for.
Joseph. Okay. I'm Brandon. Listen, you're
Did you ever get that B cam footage or what?
You have a lot of bruises
Huh?
going to your head.
No, it took me 7 months just to get the footage that I did get, and I got stolen. A police report, and they got stolen the same day I got it.
Stolen?
Yeah, my police report. And they looked at. Of course, they're giving me the runarounds and keeping me stonewalled when they think they have me in control when they don't. Because the next time I go to court, I'm about to open everything up. And your footage is good, but the footage beforehand.
Before that, yeah.
But see, that's all right because there's already a witness statement in KCY or whatever that I was run over first. So everything is as it should be.
Then you're good, bro. You're not gonna like take him anymore, are you? No. He's not in trouble. Okay, I just want to make sure. I know he's like public intoxicated. He might be public. He might just be concussed.
Get out of here. I'm just trying to get out of here. I'm not even trying to fight yourself,
Where do you live at, bro?
He can decline medical services
You know this? Yeah.
if he wants.
Did you come downtown with anyone? Do you have their phone number or anything like that?
At a location yelling and
I know, but we want to make sure you have a silver right out of here, bro.
I'm trying to leave, bro. I'm not trying to be here.
Bro, can I call you an Uber from your phone, bro?
Yes.
Give me your phone.
Look at my fingers, bro.
Parking is concerned for subjects in the trailers behind the main house, also using aerial fireworks.
Aerial fireworks?
Yeah. Your homies? You got Uber or what?
I think I do. I'm missing.
You guys mind waiting? He's not going to know right now. I guess he's ready. So if you want to work on calling Uber, you can, but just do it over there. Can I call it right? No, this is his phone. If you call an Uber right now, we're not going to work on it. Paramedics got to check him out. He's got to be cool. Why does he have to be cool? Because he's got normal issues. Bro, none of that looks
It's all good, bro.
So like, please go somewhere else. Okay, so you can handle the phone. Listen, you're going to go to jail. In 5 seconds. Give him his phone back over there. You're not involved at all. Why? I'm trying to help him out.
It's okay, man. But we're gonna make sure the medics take a look at it.
I'm trying to help him out.
Well, I'm sorry you don't feel like that. But that's what we're
Like, tell me, please, why you hear the big truck?
Can you see him? I don't see him intoxicated. Make that decision. The medics are gonna take a look at him. We're gonna make sure he gets help. You're trying to get him home when you have a headache. We're gonna make sure he gets checked out.
I'm scared he's not going to get checked out and he's going to get sent to jail.
See the fire department right there?
I do see the fire department. I'm scared he's going to get sent to jail.
Colton.
Is that a valid
Colton.
Please fuck off.
So that's where you're working towards.
I do not relate to you. You're interfering right now. Okay, I'm going to say this. Okay, how am I interfering? Because we need to make sure he's checked out by medics. Because Uber have a head injury and dies. We're going to be coming to coffee.
He just made a statement that isn't true.
Okay,
It's not the law. It's a statute or code.
They can look at him. They say whether he needs to go to the hospital. So you don't mind just waiting?
I don't mind waiting. We live by law of the land.
He can decline medical services at any time. He doesn't need to be checked out.
Everyone else. Whoever it is, bro, I don't give a f***. My name is Josh. Yeah, J-O-S-H-O-A.
I'm gonna let the ambulance do what they gotta do. Stay out of the way a little bit.
You know, my cousin is a postmaster up north.
I didn't know that, man.
Yeah, my cousin's a postmaster.
Huh.
You would be amazed on who my family is.
Yeah?
Oh yeah, you would. So much that my presence affects and changes things.
Oh, okay.
You go over to the ambulance and have you sit down on the gurney? Get you looked at, alright?
Alright, right over here in this ambulance. My surgeon.